Hey Jessica, so this is, I believe this is your Facebook page. I wasn't able to find a website for you guys, but it looked like you're close to the Portland area, and so I typed in floor contractor Portland, see what's going on there. First there'd be Google Ads up here, then you got the GMB, and then you got the organic ranking. Yelp is just a directory. This is another directory, and then we got Portland Contractors Flooring. Let's pull them up, see what they got going on. This is what the homepage looks like. They got a little bit of content. They got 817 words, so that's not too bad on their part. So you'd probably want to have about 1,500 words on your homepage to compete with that content. Google loves content. The more content you have, the better. And then I want to check out these images, see what they're saved as. See they got sample flooring, Portland, Oregon. So if they want to rank for that keyword, that would be a good one, but I don't know how well sample flooring is as a keyword. Let's see what they have this saved as. Yeah, they're not doing it right, so they would want flooring contractor Portland or some keyword. It's just an extra opportunity to have another keyword on your website, and it's just a missed opportunity if you don't do it. Next thing, we're popping this person into Ahrefs. So this is their homepage. It's got 2,470 backlinks, 382 referring domains, 6,700 keywords, and they get 2,900 traffic a month to the website. UR of 13, DR of 25. So you can just come in here and start going after their backlinks. Not all backlinks are created the same. You want higher DR and higher UR scores. You don't want to go after the spammy ones, so you won't want low scores. And then you would also want to make sure you're going after ones that are relevant to your industry. Google will give you a lot more strength if you have backlinks that are in the flooring industry, like similar to the flooring industry. Like if you had fast food linking back to you, you'd not get really anything from that. Whereas if you had a blog talking about the best flooring contractors and that linked back to you, that would be a high strength one because of the relevance. But you'd also want to make sure it's not a spammy. You'd want to make sure it's a good DR and good UR. But let's see what this guy is all about. This looks to be. You come in and try to, you can go in here and try to find out what it is, how they got it. This looks to be like a guest post to me. Yeah, it might just be considered an influential site, or it's on a blog, but it's not too high, so you could get away with just an influence post on that one, or blog commenting to get that one, because the strength's not too high on that one. But you can come and check all the other ones out and grab the ones that you like and go after those and get them on your website, and then you can go check other competitors. And then you can also go out to Google and find other ones. Different ones would be blogs, blog commenting, guest posts, sponsors, news articles, basically anything that would link back to you. Directories also can give you a backlink, but they're normally not as strong as guest post or blog commenting or any of those backlinks. Then let's go check out this guy's keywords, what he's ranking for. I'm going to type in Portland because this guy's got a bunch of stuff popping up. Obviously, this is his main keyword he's going for: hardwood flooring, Portland, Oregon, 200 volume, 23 KD. So it'd take a little bit to get ranked for this one to go after him. He's got this is a more difficult keyword to go for. The higher the KD, the harder it is to rank for. But it's doable. It's just going to take time and more effort to get that one. Wood flooring, Portland, 150, 12, so that's easier one. Let's see. That one. Let's see. Just coming down, looking at all these. So Portland hardwood floors. That's 110. So that's much easier than these other, the other hardwood ones that I've seen. Laminate flooring, 150/19, so that's a little more hard. Tile flooring, that I would stay away from that one, only 100 volume, and people are fighting for that one pretty hard. Hardwood flooring, Portland, that one's decent. 14's not too bad. Let's see. If you do bamboo flooring, this would be a really nice one, 70 and 1. So 70 people search that a month. Super easy to rank for. Laminate flooring, there you go. There's a laminate one right there, 101. That's a very good one right there. Portland hardwood, so that's not terrible. Let's see, wood flooring, that's 21. Not bamboo flooring. There's another bamboo one, 70 and 0. Another one right there, 70 and 1. So in bamboo flooring, there's a little over 200, or about 200 volume in total, all with very low KDs. So here's another really nice one. Floor Contractors, Portland, Oregon, 200 and 0. It's very easy to rank for. So definitely put that on your website, either through in the content or in a saved as a image. There we go. That's the word I was looking for. So you'd save it as that would be the save name for an image that would be on your website, and then Google would find that. Next thing, let's talk about the GMB. It's free to set them up. So if you haven't, just go to Google My Business and you can set one up. They'll send you a postcard, and you just got to verify your address. You want to set up 100%. You don't want to skip steps. And the content for Google My Business would be the photos. So the more photos you have, the better. This guy doesn't have too many there. So you would, let's see what this guy, maybe he's got more. So this guy's got more photos. I don't know why he's not above him. But the photos, you'd want to have as many photos as you can. That's just the content for the GMB, and you'd want them to be saved correctly as well with keywords. Then you want them, then citations would be next. Citations are just directories, so like Yellow Pages, Yelp. You can get them off the BBB. You can get them off Facebook. Kind of all over the place. You can just search directories, and you'll find a whole bunch of them. You want to make sure that your name's the same on your GMB as on the directory, the phone number, and the location, and then you can get that as a citation for you and start ranking your GMB as well. Hopefully that helps. If you want, we can set up a phone call or video call and talk more. If not, thanks for watching, and hope you have a good rest of your day.